Good morning, children. This is Shibulsu speaking. Children, we have been dealing with the chapter, like here, as we are over with the syllabus for the pre-midterm examination. So here, like we are these days, we are going for the revisions of chapter 2. That is about linear equations in one variable, in which we understood basic concepts of linear equations, how to make equations, how to solve equations. That things we have got a very clear idea about it. So, children, for revision, I have chosen very selective questions, which questions are quite related to the related to almost every questions of this exercise. So, I have chosen some questions for the revision. So, without wasting time, I want you to give a start for that. So, let us understand a very important question, that is question number 6, which is a question you will find such similar pattern of questions in higher classes as well. So there is a question that there is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for our school. Narrow rectangular plot. Okay, so the very first thing comes in our mind, a rectangular shape. So this shape has got, or this plot has got, a length and breadth of different measures. That's fine. Let's read the next part of the question, because reading the question is more important actually. The length and the breadth of this plot are in the ratio of 11:4. Children, it's not 11 centimeter or 11 meter, or not 4 meter or centimeter. It is in the ratio. Ratio means they are in division form. Okay, so by a very common number, they both of them have been reduced and they have written in this form. So 11:4 is the ratio of the length and breadth. So children, we can simply take the length as 11x and breadth as 4x. Now question is, sir, how? Why x only? Why 11x and why 4x? As the ratio is 11:4. The ratio will be, or the actual values will be 11x and 4x, because if I write 11x and if I write 4x, this x and x can be reduced. Finally, what will be remaining? 11/4 can be written as 11:4. Yes or no, children? Very simple. So that is why 11:4 can be expressed as 11x and 4x as well. So length is 11x and breadth is 4x. That's fine. Brilliant. Chalo, take it. Let us understand the next part of the question. At the rate of 100 rupees per meter, it will cost the village panchayat 75,000 to fence the plot. Now the panchayat has decided to give a fencing around the plot. Okay, there will be a fencing around the plot. That's fine. Now they didn't tell us the perimeter, or they didn't tell us the length of the boundary. What they have done, they have used a trick. The trick is, the total cost is 75,000 and 1 meter cost is rupees 100. The total amount was invested, or the total expenditure was 75,000. That's fine. And 1 meter fencing cost is around rupees 100. So then what is the perimeter, children? What is the length of the boundary? We can simply calculate from here. If I divide it by 100, if I just cancel 0 and 0, how much I'll get? I'll get 750. Yes or no? Yes, 750. So 750 meter is the length of the boundary. Children, what are the elements we have got in our hand right now? We have got the length, we have got the breadth, we have got the perimeter. Now the next job is, from using our mind, using the formula, we can simply calculate the value of x from here. How? Let us calculate. We know that 2 into length plus breadth is equal to perimeter. Yes or no? Of course. Now 2 into, what is the length, children? Length was 11x. Breadth was 4x. So I'll just replace length and breadth with 11x and 4x. And perimeter, I just calculated that was 750 meter. Okay, now 2 into 11x plus 4x is 15x is equal to 750. Alright. Now children, 2 into 15x is 30x is equal to 750. So using the linear equation method, I'll just keep x over here. I'll transpose 30 from left hand side to the right hand side, and it will be divided 750 by 30. Okay, 0 and 0 got cancelled. 3 25s are 75. Okay, so the value of x is coming 25. So children, now you might be thinking that then what we will do with this, the value of x. Children, we will find out the length and breadth now. How? Just check out. Come on. Length is 11x. Yeah, 11x. So I'll write 25 into 11. Okay, 25 into 11 is 275. 275 meter is the length, and let us find the breadth. Breadth was 4x, means 25 into 4. So 25 into 4 means 100. 425 is 100 meter. So I got the length was 275, and the breadth was 100 meter. So children, this is how we need to calculate such kind of sums. I hope if it's clear to everybody. Related sums you will get, lot of sums you will get in higher classes. So children, please do practice these sums very nicely. Try out the related sums. If you find any difficulties, any problems or doubts anywhere, feel free to speak to me, and please do submit these works in the Google Classroom positively. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye, take care, have a nice day.